All right, let's see what other weird things Clayton ordered while he was buying things on Amazon. Looks like we got a new outlet for the rear. So we'll go ahead and swap this in for him right quick. It looks like this one's just broken. I don't know what happened there. So we're gonna pull this trim piece. So to pull this trim piece, we gotta pull this upper trim piece because there's bolts in the top, and I think there's 2 in the bottom too. So let's get to work. So I'm gonna pull the glove box top here. So let me go grab what looks like to be a T30 Torx. So we're gonna take these 3 screws out, pull this, and I should be able to lift it up enough to fish a ratchet under there to get the bolts out. So I'll be right back. So those are just stuck in there? Yeah, okay. Hi, yeah. All right, sweet. So now that we got this off, now we should be able to, oh yeah. Oh yeah, don't you know. Let's see. So now we have access to those top screws. So those are 8mm. Let me go grab an 8mm and we'll get those out. All right, let's try this again. So we got 7mm now. So you can just pop this back piece up without actually removing the entire upper trim. So then we'll just pull these 7s here. There's number 1. Here's number 2. Now, I would imagine this just releases. Yep. Oh, all right, cool. So, you got 2 push pins down at the bottom. Down there, that you just pop right out. So we're going after this guy. So you'll see squeeze tab here. Oh, I would also like to note, I'll have a link in the description for a new outlet for the rear. We are Amazon associates now, so that's the only way we get paid for these videos. So if you haven't ordered one yet and you're looking to, please use the link in the description because it's the only way we get paid. Well, thank you. All right, I'm gonna do what I can to get this camera in position. So there's 4 tabs, which I'll show you on the replacement one. But you basically just squeeze these tabs and pop it out. There we go. So you see these little click tabs here? Click, 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 click. You just squeeze them in a pair and push it out. Dunk. Cool beans. Now, what do I do with the new one? Oh, let me find the new one. I don't know where I wandered off with it. There it is, I was laying on it. Oh. Okay, so now this one will just push forward into this panel like so. So this is also good for the 12 volt plug back here too. Same process if that's what you need. I'll put a link to that one in the description as well, you know, so if anybody just happens to come across this. Push those 2 in, get these screws right here back going. There we go. Now, boom. Now we're gonna go now we'll just go put this here center console lid back on after we click all this into position. Wham bam. All right, gave it the old love tap. Now we want our T30, which is not that one. T30. So all you need for this is a 7mm, a trim tool, which I'll have this in the description as well if you don't have one. They're great for popping plastic clips without damaging the plastic. And a T30 and a 7mm. Seems like that's all you need to get this job done. Ah, dropped one. Never fails, right? Never fails. All right. Good to go in the back there. So that will do it for our quality of life creature conference today. So let's see what we got here.
WBAP Weather Center. I'm here.
And our little rear spot here, we got a cover again and a green light. And so it's way better than what was in there. Heck yeah. So next thing that we'll tackle is this O2 sensor. Bank 1 sensor one. But we'll do that probably later today. I got some other things I need to do first. I just wanted to do these before I rolled around the ground and got all filthy nasty. But yeah, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, hit that thumbs up button so more people can see it. And yeah, order from our Amazon links. That'd be super cool. Till next time.